So we're back. We're back, and we got what we needed from my girlfriend's car, which was these two timing chain guides, because the last one broke. So make sure to double check it before you put those back in. If you are following this tutorial to do your timing chain, then I apologize because it probably wasn't the best story. But we got these on. We're gonna throw these on and continue to put the engine back together and hopefully start it up today. So yeah, let's throw these on. Bolts. There's three of these type of bolts that hold the guide in. So if you come over on this side, you can see actually what's going on. So we got this guide that goes on the tensioner side, and then you got this clear guide type thing. Goal today is to maybe hopefully get it started. Depends how late we get into. We had a little delay, but I think we'll get pretty far. So these look like they're a 10 mil. I'll look up the torque spec after I get them nice and snug. And now let's look up the torque spec really quick. Alright guys, so you see these these orange marks on this chain right here? These two have to line up with the cams, and then there's this one down here. That one has to line up with your crank. So if they line up, that means your timing's set up correctly. So if you come over on this side, you can actually see what I'm talking about. You do this, you set it right there. One sits on that tooth, this one sits on that tooth. That's all going pretty good right now. And then you want to help it guide through here. Alright guys, so we got our tippage right here. Battery's gonna die. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, put the timing cover on, charge the battery, and then catch up with you guys once the timing cover's on. And we're getting close, boys, we're getting close. Alright guys, so I'm putting on the intake manifold now. That's one of the last things we have to put back together, other than all these connectors, the intake, the radiator hoses, and then we're gonna go ahead and start her up. See how it sounds. Obviously it's not gonna sound good because it needs a tune, but we can start it, make sure there's no leaks, and go on from there. So I'm gonna throw this on and then catch up with the guys once it's on. What? And then that one, I'm gonna try my hardest. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, so this is the old fuel rail. As you can see, this injector isn't sitting the way it's supposed to. I guess I just pulled it off wrong when I was taking it off. But luckily for us, we got a new fuel rail. We got an AMS Fuel Rail with bigger injectors. So I'm going to just throw those on, and hopefully the car starts up fine. So let's go ahead and throw that on. Alright guys, so this is it right here. AMS Fuel Rail. Shout out to AMS, they actually sponsored this whole build. They got us the downpipe, they got us a test pipe. We didn't pay one dime. They sent us this. You know, they said if I wanted it with my autograph inside, I said no, it's fine. Special delivery on here or whatever. So we got this. I'm guessing this is this. Like so.
Wasn't this from Kevin?
Huh? Yeah. I think so. Bolt is there. This goes like this. This. Alright, so that's how it looks. There's 5 holes, and I only need 4. I don't know what the rest are for. So let's go ahead and figure this out. We got the injectors. We got the injectors right here. Shout out, you know. So those obviously only take up 4, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea what goes to there. Map Performance Flex Fuel Kit. Shout out to MAP for sending this over for free. Well, I guess you guys just got lucky. We're doing a flex fuel install on an engine build, so let's figure this out. Grimspeed electronic boost controller. We're not gonna worry about that right now. What is this here? What is this? I don't know. Let's see where it fits.
Stop guessing.
Fits in here, so it has to go in there. And then, see, it all makes sense, guys. I actually went to school for this, so it may seem like I'm guessing, but I'm not. Check it out. We got this little thingy here. I'm gonna put that thingy here. And then this thingy connects to this thingy. And boom, you got yourself a nice AMS Fuel Rail. So let's go ahead and tighten all this down. You want no fuel shooting out while you're driving or whatever. And then your whole car sets on fire and then you're out of an Evo, you know? So let's do that. Shout out to Snap-on again. They actually sent us all these tools. Shout out to Husky. They sent us these tools too.
Hey, they're yours.
There you go. They are. I mean, no, they're not. I don't own Husky tools. Alright. Oh, it's a little tighter. And then this line goes in here. I will do that line after. Let's focus on throwing these injectors in right here. Let's clear up this table. Let's throw the injectors in, which happen to be in here. No, they happen to be here. I wonder if I gotta reuse these clips. Because they didn't send me over any new clips. Facing this way. Wow. Alright, so we're going to throw this in. Over here. throw these injectors in. So it's just gonna...
Where are my keys? Oh, never mind. I have them.
Nice, baby. ¿Ves las 6?
Yeah. Here.
Hi, baby. So we got in this far, guys. We've had, well, when we had to hook up the, don't look at me because I got the light on. But when we had to hook up everything else, we said, hey, you know what? We're already here. Let's throw in the new injectors. Let's throw in the fuel rail. Let's throw in the inline fuel filters you guys can see here. So we got all that hooked up. Now, if you guys have any questions on how to do this, because it was easier to just focus and get stuff done. If you guys have any questions on how to get this done, just comment and I'll try to respond. So like if you need to know how to do the inline fuel filter, comment, I'll respond. But you gotta subscribe first or else I'm not responding because I'll check if you're subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, then I'm not responding. Alright? Alright. So anyway, got spark plugs here. Shout out to NGK in Japan or wherever they make them. They actually sent us these for free. This car actually was built for free. Right, babe? Alright.
Keep adding every single time.
No, what threw us
Yeah.
back was the injectors.
Yeah, you said the injectors and then the fuel pump, and now you're adding the coolant and.
No, the coolant you have to do it.
Okay, what else?
That's it?
After the coolant, the intake, and then.
That's it?
And then put the key in the ignition. Wait, you don't have the key.
No, you'll know if it's your mom.
Her music.
No, not only that, her driving. And how she still only has one fog light. Told you. Ya regresó de las outlets. Coolant reservoir, upper radiator hose that goes here to here, and then we can put the funnel. I have a
This.
special. Oh my god, this. Guys, so I'm not laughing at you, but some guy commented and said if I'm in California, because I guess it's illegal to have the red eye in California. No, sir, I'm in Illinois. All right, it's not illegal here. Or so I don't think, but no. California's too expensive. California's far away. We'll go on vacation.
You can even have an exhaust.
Yeah, no, you can't have objects. Alright, anyway. Ya, cierra, ya.